Good morning!
Ay, bulaklak.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Ayan, tingnan natin yung bulaklak natin. Oh, thank you Lord for the blessings. Yay! Happy long weekend guys! Long weekend dito sa New York. Yay! Yay! Dito kami ni Nobu sa labas. Good morning! Ay, ang aking bulaklak! Na kinalbo ni Edison. Mamumulaklak na siya ulit. Mga roses. Ganda. Nice. Right, Nobu? Nice. We're here. Dito na kami sa baba. Nobu. Look at that. Our kamates, our basil, our mint is growing so fast. Talong. Oh, pepper. Yan. Talong in English is eggplant. This one, eggplant. Talong in Tagalog. Yan. Ooh. Axel. Oh. Nakuha natin to sa Taiwan, Axel eh. Nakuha namin noon sa Taiwan. Yan, lagay mo dyan. Okay, let's go. Oh, yan, walis naman siya. Tataniman ko pa doon banda. Tignan natin tong bulaklak namin dito sa backyard. Oh, hindi siya masyadong maganda kasi ulan ng ulan, guys. Oh, right, Axel? Aba, pinatayo niya yung ano, table. Sit up properly. You buckle up, huh? Okay, you want it to remove it? Unlock. Oh. Saan naman? Oh, lavender, pangbugaw ng manok. Ay, wag mong sirain, Axel.
Go around the car.
Ikot.
Tikat.
Wow, good job, Axel. Good job. Yes, I'm coming. Oh, good job. Ayan. Ah! You okay? You okay? Yeah! Stand up! Ang ganda ng mga flowers. Beautiful. Parang hindi na naging violet to, ah. Ito, I'm waiting for this to bloom. This one. Again! Oh. Axel, oh, say hello kay Inang, oh. Hello, Inang! Buhok ko. Bagong luto. Dito kami sa backyard. Ganda. Buti na lang lumabas si Haring Init.
You like it? Okay, mommy will hold it.
Say hello, Inang. Hello, Inang.
Mommy, okay, mommy will hold it.
Kaka-relax
Okay, careful.
dito sa likod. Wow.
Okay, you need to sit, anak.
Wow. Sige. Nobu, you wanna come inside? Tinanim ko yan yung nakaraan.
Babe muna.
Gusto niya yan. Gusto niya yan, guys. Sabi ko sa Iling eh. Gusto niya. Oh, cheers! Axel, oh, cheers! Oh, cheers! Gusto gustong gusto niya. Come here. Yes. We're gonna wait for mommy. Come here. Come here. Come, come, come. Dito kami ngayon sa park. Na Morris Park. Exercise naman kami na so. Pang ano na to? Pang 7 na ikot. Yan o. Ikot namin yan. Walking. Breast walking and jogging. Yan o.